Today, I will be discussing about non-verbal communication or body language. Body language is a critical soft skill that everyone needs. It is also needed for career advancement. Definition: body language is the range of non-verbal signals that you use to communicate your feelings and intentions. These include your posture, your facial expression, and hand gestures. Your ability to understand and interpret body language can help you to pick up on unspoken issues or negative feelings in others. Types of non-verbal communication. Facial expression. If you're communicating with someone who is frowning, has furrowed brow or tight lips, you might pause to ensure that they don't feel confused, angry, or some other negative emotion. If you are communicating with someone who has a soft smile, relaxed muscles, or gently raised eyebrows, this is a sign that they feel good about the information you are presenting. Body language is the way someone situates the body depending on the situation, the environment, and how they are feeling. Body movement, the way you move your arms and legs, such as walking quickly or slowly, standing, sitting, or fidgeting, can all convey different messages to onlookers. Gestures. While gestures vary widely across communities, they are generally used both intentionally and unintentionally to convey information to others. Eye contact. Strategically using eye contact or lack of eye contact is extremely effective way to communicate your attention and interest. Touch. Some people also use touch as a form of communication. Most commonly, it is used to communicate support or comfort. This form of communication should be used sparingly and only when you know the receiving party is okay with it. It should never be used to convey anger, frustration, or any other negative emotions. Space. Creating or closing distance between yourself and the people around you can also convey messages about your comfort level. The importance of conversation, your desire to support or connect with others, and more. Voice modulation. It refers to how you control your voice while speaking. When we speak, we are able to change the message by varying the tone, stress on words, pitch, and changing the rate of speech. Here it is to be noted that when you start speaking, you start in a low pitch, slowly you come into a high pitch, and when you conclude your sentence, you come to a low pitch, and you end your sentence. So these are the basic non-verbal communication one should have, and it will help you in your job and career enhancement also. And in my next video, I'll be discussing about writing skills. Thank you.